I have been affected personally by the situation and ongoing conflict in Yemen. In that some of my family members have been affected. Our relatives, the children, are becoming malnutrition, because of the scarcity of food. I mean, it's the situation in Yemen is catastrophic. It is beyond belief. It's the Yemen before the conflict was the fourth poorest country in the world. Now, with this conflict, it's made it, the poorest country in the world. You can imagine, there is no clean water, shortage of food, shortages of medical supplies. I mean, your help will be appreciated. You can help save lives and improve lives of people. If you can just please text 70000 and use the word assist, and that will be, the £5 will be helpful and it will save lives. I would like to say the word in Welsh, diolch. Thank you.